another video, and in today's video we shall be unboxing the brand new iPhone XR. So yeah, just a few things before I start unboxing it. Why did I choose the iPhone XR? Well, for the same reasons that people would choose the XS Max, the Samsung Galaxy S9, S10 that we're up to now. I'm not sure about Samsung phones. I've always had iPhones. So yeah, right then, let's begin unboxing it then. Oops, that didn't work. Okay, here we go then. So this is the 256GB model. Don't know if you can see it from there, but yeah. So packaging feels robust as always. When I had my iPhone 5C, my iPhone SE, it was always well packaged. So right, let's have a look what we got then. We have the iPhone XR, obviously. We have AirPods with lightning connector, lightning to USB cable, and a USB power adapter. And this is the 256GB model. So some of you might be thinking, oh, why didn't you get the XS or even the XS Max? Well, there's a good reason for that. Because for the same price point, you could get either a 256GB XR or a 64GB XS, and I thought, well, I hate deleting photos off my phone, and yeah, that's pretty much the reason really. And that you get a lot of the same features on the XR as you would do on the XS and the XS Max, apart from the probably not as bright a screen, because there's a couple of nits less, and that the XS and the XS Max have the OLED screen, whereas this still has the LCD screen. But to me, features like that don't really worry me, because you've got the camera, which is, well, apparently, I think the XR and the SE that I'm recording this video on both share the same 12 megapixel camera, but this is the far more advanced version because of wider aperture, I think it does. So let's go ahead and open it up, and hopefully this time I won't make too much of a hash of it. So there's a little arrow here telling me where to open it. So, ooh, let's try have a bit of a peel game going on here. Oh, there we go. Being very careful not to drop it. Let's just dump that to one side. Okay, here it is, folks. So nicely packaged iPhone. Let's open it up, and hopefully it doesn't come flying out the box. Oh, okay, never mind. Oh, designed by Apple in California. Oh my word. Designed in Apple. No, wait, it's wrong. Designed by Apple in California. And there it is. The most expensive phone I have ever owned, because I think to buy this outright was about £900, and yeah, that's a lot of money for a lot of phone. Okay, there we go. So what you get is a oh, okay, I see how it works now. So how you unpeel it is that you peel it from the bottom all the way around like that, and back across the screen. So, oh my god, this thing's freezing. I think it's because it's been in my car all day after picking it up, and yesterday. So yeah, I'll just leave that for a little while to get it acclimatized. So with that, you get the iPhone XR, obviously. You get AirPods with the lightning connector, as opposed to the 3.5mm jack you would normally find on older models, because they got phased out when the iPhone-7 got released. So yeah, having stuck with the SE for so long, I'm kind of a little bit behind on generations at the moment. But no matter, I'm with the times now. And that's right, SgtKenzo is moving up in the world, and it's all good. This does prove a problem though. How am I going to connect my phone to my car now to listen to music, because I don't have Bluetooth in my car? It was a £300 option I never chose to have, and kind of thinking now that maybe I should have done. But no matter, I'll figure it out. I'm sure there's an adapter or a dongle or something that'll let me do that. And with that, you get the normal power plug, as you do with all Apple devices. So there's that one. You get a lightning to USB-A connector, which is good. Now how else I'm going to sync my music to my iTunes. So you get that. Is there anything else in the box that I'm probably missing? Nope. Nope, that's it. So there's nothing else in the box. And what's in here? Okay, it's just instruction manual, so you get some fancy Apple stickers, so you can stick this to whatever you like, probably the case that I'm more than likely going to buy for it. You get a quick start menu, so that goes there. You also get, never mind, ignore that. And yeah, just user safety guide, and thank you very much for watching my unboxing video. If you like this video, remember to hit like, subscribe, and I will see you all next time on my next video. Bye bye.